This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear you, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb all the pain. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. I'm going under and I feel this time there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. Now I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. But it makes it feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, it doesn't love me, so I tell myself, my love, it makes it feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, it doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I finally see the pattern. I never learned. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count them. 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 I got it. Practice makes perfect, I'm still trying to learn it by heart. Eat, sleep and breathe it, rehearse and repeat it, cause One, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him.
Hoje o tempo voa, amor, escorre pelas mãos, mesmo sem se sentir. E não há tempo que falte, amor. Vamos viver tudo que há pra viver. Vamos nos permitir. Eu vejo a vida melhor no futuro. Eu vejo isso por cima de um muro de hipocrisia que insiste em nos rodear. Eu vejo a vida mais clara e farta, repleta de toda a satisfação que se tem direito do firmamento ao chão. Eu quero crer no amor, numa boa, que isso valha pra qualquer pessoa, que realizar a força que tem uma paixão. Eu vejo um novo começo de era, de gente fina, elegante, sincera, com habilidade pra dizer mais sim do que não, não, não. Hoje o tempo voa, amor, escorre pelas mãos, mesmo sem se sentir. E não há tempo que falte, amor. Vamos viver tudo que há pra viver. Vamos nos
Aí, tava escuro. Ouvindo, tentando pegar ali. Ei! Tiro!
Esse aqui dele é, o rancho é bem aqui no cantinho mesmo, né? No final do rio.
Olha lá o patinho que o cara falou, de patinho. Tá chegando na beirada lá. Lá, os patinhos lá. Viu? Olha lá, tá chegando na beirada.
Ah, que bonitinho.
Pedra bem fortinho.
Ó,
Aí.
Papai, ó. Deu, ó. Deu. Vai atrás dele, balançar ele. Vai atrás dele, balançar ele. Tá aqui. Ele vai. Vai,